Now that you know who took your income and how they shifted it away from you, let's talk about how we can shift it back to you. Starting with answering the question, what is income shifting? In short, this is a financial strategy we use to shift income back to its original owner. Who's the original owner? You. You worked for it. You earned it, and you deserve to keep it. And for this shift to happen, there are 3 solutions everyone needs. Number 1 is cash flow management. Number 2 is a business with business income. And number 3 is investment income. Cash flow management is where your income is shifted back to you by minimizing your taxes, debt, and your expenses. Owning a business with business income is what allows you to reduce your taxes by being able to increase your deductions. This also allows you to control and own your income, while eliminating income limits associated with the job, especially if the income is residual-based. This gives you the ability to create leverage and add to your income every month, instead of constantly trading time to replace it. And last but certainly not least is investment income. This consists of savings or investments that generate compound interest, capital gains, or dividends, as well as businesses you own or invest that are operated and managed by someone else. So the income you earn is passive residual income or royalties that do not require your time or labor. The key to accomplishing all of this is based on how quickly you can make the shift from an employee or self-employed person to a business owner, and then eventually to an investor. Here's why. As a W-2 employee, you earn wages, and your wages can currently be taxed up to 37%, depending on where you live and what tax bracket you're in. That's over 1/3 of your gross income going to taxes, which is why most people's net income actually looks gross. But seriously, this also makes employee wages one of the highest taxed forms of income. As an employee, you work, you pay taxes first, and then you get to spend what's left, constantly trading your time for money, when there never seems to be enough time to make all the money you want or even need to make. However, as a 1099 business owner, you earn profits, not wages. And instead of being taxed up to 37%, business profits are taxed less, at an average of 0 to 23%. This is exactly how Amazon made billions of dollars and paid 0 in taxes. However, you don't have to be as big as Amazon to play by the same rules. As a matter of fact, you could be an employee that also owns a business, and you would still be able to reduce the amount of taxes you have to pay on your wages, thanks to the additional tax deductions that are available to business owners only. You see, as a business owner, your business works, the business spends first, much of which can be deducted from the total amount you earn, and you are now taxed on what's left, instead of the whole amount. Being a business owner provides you with the best way to beat inflation and income limits, while also allowing you to leverage other people's time instead of just your own. A wise man once said, "I would rather be paid 1% of 100 people's efforts than 100% of my own," and he was right. Just ask your boss the next time he's playing golf or on vacation while you're at work. Leverage is also the fastest way to reach your financial goals, and the income a business can provide, along with the tax saving associated with business ownership, are also the keys to generating the additional cash flow needed to eliminate debt and become an investor. As an investor, the income from your investments are taxed at just 0 to 15%. Your money works 24/7. It reinvests itself to make even more money. It never calls in sick or makes excuses, and the profits from your investments are taxed less than any other form of income. This is exactly why the wealthy continue to get wealthier, while also being able to enjoy the time and financial freedom their investments provide. Sounds amazing, right? But you're probably wondering, where do I find all these solutions? And why are they so important? Well, don't worry. We've got you covered there too. You see, the solutions we just discussed are designed to help you achieve the 2 objectives everyone works for. Number 1 is your current lifestyle, which is what you labor for now, and number 2 is your future lifestyle or investments, which determines when and if you will ever be able to retire with the time and financial freedom needed to actually enjoy it. With that said, the only thing you need now is a way to make it all happen. Well, look no further, because we have the one company that does it all. MWR Financial, your personal financial strategies company that provides you with everything you need to shift and grow your income. By partnering with us, you'll be joining the Make Wealth Real movement, where together we can provide American families, including yours, with everything they need to overcome the financial challenges created by our tax, credit, banking, and educational systems. So, you can live the current and future lifestyle you want. Our goals with this movement are to eliminate $50 billion in consumer debt by creating 10,000 millionaires and over 150,000 six-figure earners, giving you and millions of others the ability to collectively generate over $100 billion in investment income. So, how do we make this all possible for you? By providing you the 3 solutions you need: cash flow management and investment income through our Financial Edge membership, and a business with business income by participating in the MWR Financial Business Opportunity. Let's take a look at each of these so you can see for yourself how they work together to help you make wealth a reality.